Snapchat has an excellent newish dual camera feature that not many people know about. This allows users to capture content using the front and back cameras simultaneously. This is an excellent feature for content creators because they don't have to go back and forth when shooting vlogger type footage. Here's how it works. Open the Snapchat app and select the dual camera icon in the camera toolbar. Here's a video of me getting lost in a corn maze and sharing the 4 shooting options. So you could see me filming and also what's in front of me. This feature is helpful for more than just vloggers or marketing professionals. This could be useful for classroom teachers who create video field trips. They could show what's in front of them and record themselves explaining something educational about what their front camera is displaying. For those in learning and development, this could be a great training tool to explain how to use equipment or a process. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try. Thanks for watching.